At CRJ Services, we don't just maintain our own fleet, we keep yours running too. Our purpose-built workshop facilities are designed to handle everything from routine maintenance to comprehensive machine overhauls. With specialist tools, dedicated bays, and a team of experienced engineers, we can tackle repairs and rebuilds on all makes and models of machinery. We also provide bespoke engineering and fabrication, offering tailored solutions to improve machine performance, adapt equipment for unique applications, or restore worn components back to factory standard. And for maximum convenience, our mobile service teams are positioned across the UK, ready to provide on-site servicing, repairs, and mobile welding wherever your machine is working. Every job is carried out with precision, care, and a focus on minimizing your downtime. So if you're looking for a trusted partner to service your heavy plant machinery, one with decades of hands-on experience and a reputation for quality, choose CRJ Services. We'll keep your machines working as hard as you do,